For Rumi, ice cream's like gimbap. The bigger, the better. Ah, a life in plastic is truly fantastic. Well, speak of the Barbie, and she shall appear. It's okay, Rumi. We can make our own dream house. But first, why don't we clean you up? There's a bit of a smell, not to mention all that ice cream on your face. We need to build a bath. Now, water and cardboard don't mix. But this is a dream house, so anything goes. Sure, it's a little strange taking a bath in confetti. But all that really matters is that you have a rubber ducky. See? It even floats. Well, sort of. Ah, nothing beats a nice clean face. Of course, now we'll need new clothes. We can't exactly go shopping, but I'm sure we can whip something up. Or better yet, draw something up. Now cut it out. All it needs is a little Huntrix magic. And voila! Next, your coat. Wow, purple is your color, Rumi. That was fun, but we should really check the time. Uh-oh, she's late for a possibly important date. But soon, she'll always be on time with this new gadget. It already feels pretty homey. Or, at the very least, homemade. Don't forget the chimney. We want all the bells and whistles. Can you guess what we're making? That's right, a cuckoo clock. Of course, we gotta make sure the time is right. Otherwise, it'll only work twice a day, I think. It needs a good foundation and derpy. Derpy's always needed. Of course, I do have a question. Where's the cuckoo? Leave it to Sussy to make a big entrance. Either way, I'm pretty sure it's time to eat. You know what that means. Show us your teeth! But it's going to need a few additions. When it comes to tubes, the more the merrier. Can you guess our newest craft? Well, it's got a lid. And it looks like I wasn't wrong about those tubes. Good idea. This should put some spring in their step. It's mostly done, so we should personalize it, like with a Huntrix logo and a cute little derpy face. Did you guess? We've got our very own rice cooker. Now we can make all sorts of things, like gimbap or just plain rice. It is the best side dish. Just press a button and keep your eye on the timer, or clock, as it were. Either way, we've got rice. Just can't wait to dig in, can you? Of course, rice isn't exactly finger food. We're gonna need chopsticks. Never used them before? All you need's a simple wrap and maybe a little practice. That was good, but now Rumi will want something to wet her whistle. And what can be more refreshing than cardboard? Okay, you can't drink it, but you'll see how it can help. grab some bottles. Holding liquids is their job. Now it's time for us to bend those straws. Remember, always save your bottle caps, 'cause you'll never know when they'll come in handy. Why don't we add some color? How about a nice sky blue? And I wouldn't say no to some nice wallpaper for our new soda machine, complete with your favorite fruit flavors. Wait, where's the soda? Guess we've got to fill her up. You know, all this crafting is busy work. So why don't we try it out? Pick a flavor. Ooh, apple. I mean, it's important to eat or drink your greens. I wonder if it tastes like apple juice. Of course, we wouldn't say no to strawberry or orange. Ooh, looks like Rumi's got someone special on her mind. Of course, if you want to talk to Rumi, we're gonna need to get you a phone plan. Ooh, now that's some cool wallpaper. Wow, Jinu's already in your contact list. He looks so full of life, all things considered. You know, 'cause he's a Saja boy. Okay, Rumi, we've got to save Jinu. We need to build something that'll help. Or conjure up the Han Moon, whatever comes first. We already started whipping up our latest cool tool. A hat? And robe? Oh, I see. It's a decoy Saja boy. But I don't think we're finished just yet. Rumi might need some weapons. Is she making a sword? Well, so far it kind of looks more like a barbell. Guess we're pumping iron. You'll need some energy. Hold on. And they say too much candy's bad for you. Soon, Rumi will be strong enough to hunt those demons. And if music doesn't work out, she can be a bodybuilder. Oh, I get it. It's training practice. Hold on, it's alive! Wow, it's just like that story where that guy makes a monster. What was it called again? Oh yeah, Pinocchio. Come on, Rumi, you've trained for this. Literally just trained. And what's more powerful than the sword or the pen? That's right, your voice. And I should know. So make yourself a microphone. I mean, you're a K-pop demon hunter after all. Obviously, this trick is best done with 3. But every diva needs to try a solo career now and then. That's right! Rumi's part demon, but she sings like an angel. Yeah, you're going straight into the recycling bin. Looks like Rumi's up, 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 and back on top. It's snack time for Huntrix. Just look at all those goodies. Don't forget something to wash everything down. But be careful. Demons could be closer than you think. Those are some interesting ramen flavors. I know you like things spicy, But we're about to have a disco inferno! Quick, get out of there! Someone call the fire department! Don't worry, Derpy's here to help. Climb on his back and fly. Up, up, and away! We'll take you to someone who can help. Just pretend you're on your own home renovation show. We'll start with something pretty and pink.
Wow! Cool!
You've already ditched a blazing fire.
Meh.
So let's start with a place to help you keep your cool. That's right! We're making you a bathroom! Fully furnished. You can never have too many rubber duckies. But we can't forget the most important part, real water. Hey, careful! That's not a real donut! It's a bath bomb! Nothing beats a bubble bath. Besides, after all that you girls just went through, you deserve a chance to freshen up and relax. Pretend it's spa day. Good thing you brought your swimsuits. Just lie back and scrub all your problems away. Make sure you scrub behind your ears. Ooh, I didn't know this tub was a jacuzzi. Wait, it's not?
Ew. Okay.
Don't worry. I'm sure we can craft up some sort of solution. Always knew plumbing school was a good idea. Here's something to help you do your business. And we're not talking about Huntrix merchandise. This new potty also boasts a familiar face. Who wants to try out our new Labubu latrine? It looks like Rumi is our first taker. Yeah, let's give Rumi some privacy. Don't forget to wash your hands when you're done. Done with the tub? Well, why don't we get you a towel? Meanwhile, why don't we finish refurnishing? Of course, it's new, so maybe it's just furnishing.
Wow!
Next up, it's time for a little ironing. After all, Mira needs a bathrobe too. Don't forget Zoe. Now they're all pretty and pink. That's not enough. You girls are freezing. We need something warm. Start with some orange. Such a vibrant color. Things already look warmer. Now you can keep your feet warm in these cute new slippers. Zoe will take hers in blue. Wow, she's flexible. Mira's in the mood for some sunny yellow. We've earned a snack break. Oh, inspiration strikes! We can put these marshmallows to better use. I was thinking s'mores, but new wall decor works too. In fact, new furniture is just a pantry away. Just look at what we can do with some instant noodles. Add glue. And something soft. And you've got a new couch. Of course, you can't have a couch without any pillows. Wrap something soft around some cotton and seal it up. A plastic cover will help protect from spills. Besides, it'll make it easier to add a familiar face. It's Derpy, but he'll need some ears. That'll do. Aw, twins! Come on, girls, check out the new couch. We know how much you like to veg out. Ah, nothing beats curling up with a furry friend. But be careful, I think this one has a mind of his own. Of course, it's not safe to relax on an empty stomach. Well, I'm sure we can whip something up. In fact, you can have your very own snack bar. Now, what's something all the girls of Huntrix would like? Ooh, how about corn dogs? Yeah, their mouths are watering already. They come in all your favorite flavors, plus ketchup. Of course, we're gonna need to scrounge up some ingredients. Add some coins if you want to have a bite. Why don't we try each of your flavors? First, Mira. Now for Zoe and Rumi. Talk about fast food. Anyone want ketchup? Here's the best part. It's free! Keep it coming. And it's important to hydrate too. These dogs went as fast as they came. Uh-oh, if only cleanup was that easy. Let's spin the Huntrix wheel. Where does it end? Wow, what do you win? A fun new prize. But you gotta be patient. We gotta make it up first. Just need the essentials first, like string and a plastic top. It's a new seat. And a soft cushion so it's extra comfy. Here, Zoe, why don't you take it for a spin? And when we say spin, you know we mean it. But sometimes it's best to stay still and read a good book. Don't forget to show Derpy all those pictures. It's time for Rumi to check her messages. But first, we probably should make her a laptop. Remember, we need something that can fit on a lap. Hence the name, at least when folded in half. Of course, it's always best to personalize. Now you'll need keys, a touchpad, and one cool screensaver. Here, Rumi, you can check all your messages. And it looks like you've got a friend request. Oh, someone's happy to hear from Genu. But maybe we should see how things go first. Fun's fun, but Huntrix needs to practice for the big show. Why don't we make them a brand new stage? And you can't forget the Huntrix logo. Don't forget, we want the girls to shine on stage. So why don't we bring the stars down to Earth? Of course, we know who the real stars are around here. Come on, girls, it's time to step up, stand tall, and strike a pose. Now, it's time to dance. You know the moves. You've trained for this, literally, with Bobby. You're going up, up, up. It's your moment. Oh, come on. You know you want to sing along. That's enough.